This video is about top 10 best banks in Nigeria and most valuable banks via Afrokonnect. Banks offer various financial services, especially offering a safe way to save money seamlessly. So, if you're looking for a list of the best, safest, valuable, dependable and trustworthy banks in Nigeria, you have come to the right place. Top 10 Best Banks in Nigeria. 1. First Bank Nigeria plc. First Bank was established in 1894 but did not become a public company until 1970, after which it joined the Nigerian Stock Exchange in 1971. First Bank operates through 4 major strategic business units, which are corporate banking, retail banking, commercial banking, and public sector banking. The bank recorded a net income of over NGN 87.99 billion in 2020 and NGN 7.84 trillion assets were declared in March of 2021. 2. Access Bank Nigeria plc. Access Bank was given a commercial banking license in 1988 but eventually became a privately owned commercial bank in 1989. In 2019, Diamond Bank fully merged with Access Bank, and after this merger, it became the largest bank in Africa in terms of assets, loans, deposits, and branch networks. Currently, Access Bank has about 6,781 employees and 600 branches in Nigeria. As at March 2021, the bank had a total asset of NGN 9.05 trillion. There are 4 major segments through which the bank operates, and this includes commercial banking, corporate and investment banking, personal banking and business banking. 3. Guarantee Trust Bank plc. The Guarantee Trust Bank was founded in 1990 but started its operations in 1991. Like other banks, they offer a wide range of financial services, which includes online banking, asset management, investment banking, and so on. GTB has a customer strength of over 8 million and a staff strength of almost 6,500 individuals. 4. Zenith Bank plc. Zenith Bank is a bank that was incorporated in 1990 and offers a multitude of financial services, which includes foreign exchange, SME banking, investment banking, treasury, trade services, etc. It became a public liability company in 2004 and was added to the Nigerian Stock Exchange list. Currently, the bank has over 1.5 million registered customers and has a staff strength of about 7,500. Zenith Bank currently has over 436 branches all over Nigeria and has some representative offices in other countries like Ghana, Sierra Leone, the United Kingdom, Dubai, Gambia, and South Africa. 5. Ecobank. Ecobank is a subsidiary of the Pan-African banking group called Ecobank Transnational Incorporation, and the bank was established in 1986. The bank offers to customers an array of banking services under 3 major units, which are retail banking, treasury and financial institutions, and wholesale banking. They have over 600 branches spread across, a net income of NGN 1.26 billion and total assets of NGN 1.99 trillion were recorded by the bank in the past. 6. United Bank for Africa. United Bank for Africa is one of the oldest banks in Nigeria and also the first Nigerian bank to have its shares listed in the Nigerian Stock Exchange, 1970. It is seen as one of the most flexible banking groups in Africa. UBA has a staff strength of about 10,500 staff and has a customer base of over 14 million all around the world. With over 1,000 branches in Africa, UBA has recorded a net income of NGN 109.33 billion, 2020, and a total asset of NGN 7.89 trillion, March 2021. 7. Union Bank of Nigeria. Formerly called Colonial Bank, Union Bank of Nigeria was founded in 1917. Union Bank is a bank that employs over 2,400 people and has a customer base of about 4.3 million. Union Bank has a net income of about NGN 18.54 billion, 2020, and declared assets worth NGN 2.16 trillion as at March 2021. 8. Stanbic IBTC Bank. Stanbic IBTC Bank is seen as one of the best banks in Nigeria in terms of assets value, reach and earnings. It has activities in 20 African nations and 13 nations outside Africa. The bank has a base number of workers of 2,926 individuals and as at December 2019. The revenue made by the bank was over NGN 152.3 billion and had assets worth over NGN 1.42 trillion. 9. Fidelity Bank. Fidelity Bank was incorporated in 1987, started banking operations as a merchant bank in 1988 but became a commercial bank 11 years after this in 1999. Fidelity Bank has over 250 offices with 774 ATMs and 4,046 POS terminals serving about 4 million clients that have accounts with the bank. The bank had a net income of over NGN 26.65 billion. 10. Sterling Bank. Headquartered in Marina, Lagos, Sterling Bank is one of the best banks in Nigeria with operations divided into 4 major groups: consumer banking, commercial banking, retail banking, and corporate banking. In Nigeria, Sterling Bank has over 170 branches with 847 ATMs and over 7,500 POS terminals. In conclusion, each financial institution discussed in this video has various features designed to suit specific financial needs. You have to choose a bank that caters to your personal, business, or investment financial needs. We wish you the very best of luck as you make your decision. On that note, we are ending this video about the top 10 best banks in Nigeria and most valuable banks via Afrokonnect. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to follow us on social media and subscribe to the channel for more contents like this. Cheers!